Hello guys and welcome to DA channel. As promised in previous video, I measured hardness of these blades, so I wanted to make a follow-up video on that previous video where I done the edge retention test. The description in a link down below. I just want to mention, please always check the description. I will leave the links to the related videos always in the description. Why I decided to make a video about this, because the results of hardness testing were even more strange than that edge retention test. The knife that was best on the edge retention test had the softest blade, 54.94 Rockwells, and the knife that was worst performer on that test had the hardest blade. This is admirable hardness, 58.58 Rockwells, so pretty good. And these two, the Bahco and Mora, almost same, 55.85 for Mora and 56.42 for Bahco. Okay, so let's say these three, not big difference between these three, and this one is a little bit harder than those. As a reference, I used my so the machine is perfectly good, very precise and recently calibrated, so there's no doubt about accuracy of the measurement. But as a reference, because everything was so strange, I used my Spyderco Delica that I had in my pocket, and something around 58 Rockwells, so that was expected. And also the Bird Caracara, I was measured at the hardness few days before, and it is also 58 Rockwells. Little bit above, if I remember correctly, 58.6 Rockwells for a Bird, and Spyderco Delica a little bit below 57 point something. I have several theories about these hardnesses, difference in hardness and the difference in edge retention. So generally the stainless steel blades, because of the chromium in it, are a little bit better in holding edge than the carbon steel blades. From my point of view, I know that opinions on the internet usually are not like that, but if something like a carbon steel is sharp and easy to sharpen, it's easy to lose edge also, and with a stainless steel that's not the case. And also this knife, unlike the other ones, as you can see on the back of the edge, it was used a lot, used and abused, maybe because it was dulled and chipped and resharpened several times. Maybe that is the reason why it performed much better. So conclusion behind this test, these two are pretty similar in hardness and material and shape and everything else. This carbon steel blade performed as I expected, and this one I cannot for sure cannot say why it performed a lot better than the others. Maybe because, as you can see, this one was heavily used before and was damaged and resharpened more than several times. So maybe there is some case of work hardening or something like that, but it performed significantly better. And also the hardness and edge retention do not depend one on another. So the blade it cannot be very soft and had good edge retention, but it can be a little bit softer and have better edge retention depending on chemical composition of the steel. If you liked this video and you want to see more videos like this, because as I said, I intend to do a lot more tests of all sorts of equipment, not just the knives, but multi-tools, the folding saws, the air guns, the guns, rifles, and all other sorts of equipment. Please subscribe to the channel and you will get a notification when I do another test or another video, and also it means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.